Oh my gosh, I think I have opened up my new favorite bag. All right, I know tons of you are rolling your eyes at that comment because I say that this is my favorite bag, or oh my gosh, I love this bag so much all the time. I know, it's fine. Go ahead and say it, roll your eyes. I don't even care. But that's what I do here. I try bags out and I find new favorites all of the time. So you're welcome. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, I have found the best bag for fall, or really year round, but it is going to be my new favorite bag, and I am not even the littlest bit joking when I say that. So this here is the Tory Burch oversized bucket bag, and it is a newer style. I believe they came out with it first in maybe like summertime, because they had a terry cloth version of this bag, and I believe it actually is still currently on sale possibly, but I wanted something that was more of like a classic look that would transition really well into fall and winter, and then even be able to wear year round. But this is just so perfect for fall. It is the navy color, and it is just, it's beautiful. It is so pretty. The hardware, the strap, the size, the whole nine. I love it. I think it is just such a great bucket bag, and it is the perfect size, because to me, I like an oversized bag. I like one that's going to be comfortable to wear, that I can just throw and go. I can have stuff for the kids, stuff for myself, my planner, my books, and it will all fit just so nicely in here. Now, I do have the regular size bucket bag from Tory Burch, and I have already done a full in-depth review and packing video on this one. I got this one last year and I love it, but shockingly, it was much smaller than I thought it was going to be, but I loved this chocolate kind of brown with the gold hardware, and I think it's just absolutely stunning. But this is the regular size, so there's even a mini bucket bag that's smaller than this one, which is actually shocking. But if you want to see like a review, I guess, comparison of these two, let me know. I mean, I'm kind of comparing it now for you. There's no comparison. Like, this oversized is truly oversized, and I imagine the regular and the mini probably compare closer together. But this regular kind of monogram bucket bag is much smaller. All right, so let's chat about this one just a little bit. The strap is stationary here on the bag, and you do have an extra little kind of D-ring over here on the side. You can add a charm or what have you. There is no crossbody or messenger strap that comes with this bag. This regular kind of bucket bag does have that optional, it's actually inside the bag here, strap that you can wear at crossbody. So this one is just a true shoulder bag, but you do have the option to adjust it here. So I have it right smack in the middle, and I think it's a really good length for me, being 5'0". So if you are taller and you want it longer, or if you want it to be kind of more of like a hobo vibe or something, you could make this strap longer for sure. But the quality is just really good. If it'll kind of focus there, you can see you have stitching all the way around it, and that nice like classic Tory kind of buckle there. As far as the closure on this bag, you just have the bucket cinch at the top. There's no magnetic closure, there's no zipper, nothing like that. You can just pinch the little circle here and open and close it really easily. It opens up super wide. Like, I don't know what on earth you'd want to put in here that like wouldn't fit. Like, it's such a big open bag. But what I like about it is I feel like you can use this for travel or use it for work, use it for anything really, but also be able to use it for an everyday type bag. Like, I don't think it's too massive to where, you know, people are like, oh, she's carrying this massive bag every day. No, I think it's a really good size. You also get, well, this is the dust bag that comes with the bag, but you get a little pouch, which I think is so cool. And it attaches here on the back. And then you can detach it on the inside. So if you don't want it attached to your bag, you can use this for keys or whatever you want to attach on this leash. The zipper, of course, is really smooth, and the inside is this camel kind of lining. So I loved that it kind of came with this little pouch, because I can use this in my other bags. As far as organization on this bag, you really only have the pouch that came with it. There's no interior pockets, there's no zippers, there's no pockets. It's just this really pretty, like tan, I guess like a caramel type color lining. You can really see it there. There, that's a good picture. But I love all of the detail of the like white stitching here on the navy and then the contrast with the brown. It's just like really classic. I love it so much. The bottom of the bag, you do not have any feet, but you do have this leather navy bottom, so it will kind of protect it from the canvas of the bag. You have a little bit more of that like structure down there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack this bag up so that you can really see what everything looks like and how it fits inside. And just like with all of my review and packing videos, I will have a link to this bag as well as this one if you wanted to check out this size. I'll also put my review to this other size down below if you guys wanna check that out. And I'll also have a link to my What's in My Bag blog post page that lives on my blog. It just keeps like a running list of things that I pack inside my bags that you may have seen that you want to link for. If there's something you're looking for that's not on that list, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. All right, so I have this bag fully packed. Like, I don't think I could put another thing in it. I mean, maybe here on top, but this can really show you capacity wise what this bag will hold. Now, I don't know if I would typically carry this stuff on the daily with me, but they're items that I like to have if I'm gonna be like long day out. So here we go. As far as the exterior of the bag, of course, there's no pockets or anything like that. And when you uncinch the top, it opens up so nice and wide. Like you can see everything that I have in here. And I have everything pretty much packed vertically, but you could definitely pack horizontally if you wanted to. I know that doesn't really matter to some, but if you were to pack this planner, for example, horizontally, you can maybe like cinch the top a little bit more or have more room at the top. So it just kind of depends on what you need it for. And I also have items back behind this magazine here too, just because I have the bulk of stuff in the middle of this bag. So over here on the side, I'll just start pulling stuff out. Attached to the key leash in this bag, I actually detached the pouch that comes with it, and I added onto here just my keys and my Touchland hand sanitizer because I grab for this all the time and I don't want to be like rooting around. So I went ahead and I attached that there to the side of the bag, and I have my big Owala water bottle. This is a 32 ounce, I think is that one. I guess it's the medium sized one. The bigger one's a little bit fatter, but you could easily put that one in here too. Any water bottle will fit. But I have that just standing upright, no problems at all in there. So that's tucked in the corner. I also have my sunglasses and eyeglasses in here in this pouch, which I love. I want to do a like fall pouch video, I think, or something like that, because I have found some really cute ones lately. This one came in a set of 2, and this is the smaller one. The other one's like a little bit more boxy or a little bit bigger. And in here, I just have a couple of snacks, and I like it because the lining is wipeable. So if something spills or whatever, I don't know, I can be able to like wipe it out easy. So I have a couple of beef sticks, a That's It bar, and then just this little granola bar tucked in there. So perfect little like snack pouch. It's also great for pens, pencils, that kind of thing. So I have that in there, and then I have next to it, just gonna pop that back in there, the pouch that came with the bag, and I packed this up just in case I wanted to grab this out only and like take it in somewhere quickly. I could grab my keys and just this and I would be good to go. Inside of it, I just have some gum. I have some L'Occitane hand cream. I also have my little chapstick by Clinique, and then, oh, some Visine hair tie basics. And then my wallet is in here. And this is the Ondar Denner wallet. I love it because it's nice and thin. I've been back in here for a little while now. So those items are tucked down in here in case I don't want to bring my big bag in wherever I'm like popping into. Then I have right here my planner. This planner is from Barnes & Nobles, and it is my favorite. I've been in it a couple months and I really like it. And it is like a big 7 by, I'm gonna say like 9 size. And it's big and bulky and obviously fits in here great. I also have a magazine because I am a paper like magazine person, book person, and I love this magazine. I grab it every quarter when it comes out, so I haven't read it yet. I also have down in here a pack of sticky notes I've been using a lot. These are from Erin Condren, and they're kind of unique. I have no idea if you can still get these on the website, but they're tabbed over here on the side, and each set is a little bit different. So I just add it to my planner or my notebook or whatever, and I love it. I use it all the time. So I popped that in there. I also have the book that I'm reading. This is a fun little cowboy romance series. This is the second one in this series, and there's a third one and a fourth one coming. The third one comes out, I think, next month. It's really good. It's cute. And then I have my Erin Condren notebook. These notebooks are, let's see if I can show you without showing you anything in my notebook, but you can change them out here. So whenever you're done with the notebook, you can put like a fresh one in these covers. And then you also have a little like pen loop over here. I love it. I love it. You guys have seen this like in a ton of my videos. This is really truly my like go-to. Like this is what I carry around with me all the time. I usually leave my planner at home 9 times out of 10. And this is for like my lists, my reminders, my notes, and even like planning out my day. Like sometimes I'll sketch it out in there. So that's everything I have inside except for, it's kind of dark, you can't see it now, except for this pouch right here. And I wanted to do it separate because it is the biggest of all of them, and it matches so well with this bag. I don't know if you can see, but it is a newer MZ Wallace pouch and color. You kind of zoom in so you can like see it a little better. All right, that's a little bit better here so that you can see it. It is the double zip cosmetic or double zip case or double zip something. I'll put it down below, of course. And it is in this ink color. Gosh, I've like had a brain fart. I can't think of the actual name of it, but it's this really pretty navy color, and they just launched it, so I know that they still have it in stock. They have a small cosmetic case or small double zip, and then this medium one. And this medium one is so perfect for on the go if you have like a big tote bag or something. I love the way everything just perfectly packs inside. I could even leave it in that bag and then just unzip these and get whatever I need out of them. But there's 2 separate zippers here, and then one side I have all of my tech stuff, my chargers. I have my AirPods in there. I have pens down here at the very, very bottom, my adapter, and then in this interior zipper pocket here, I actually have a ton of like sticky notes. And then over here in this one is all of my like go-to cosmetics, my tissues, these little teeth things. I probably don't need, I need to take some out. I don't need that many. Touchland body spray. This one smells really good. What is this one? This one is, I can't see the name of it. I'm overlooking it somewhere. Oh, Cashmere Woods. It smells so good. A couple more lip products in here. My Laneige like lip kind of sleeping masks. And then, oh, my pill case. This is new. You guys have not seen this. And I need to actually chat about it over on Instagram because I love it. You guys know my other pill case that I have that has all the pills labeled. I've had it in my bag for like 300 years. This one I just found, so I kind of upgraded mine a little bit. And what I like about it is it has this little case on top that you can take off. It's magnetic. So if I have a smaller bag or something, or my little pouch that I go to like sports games and things like that, I can just take this out and not have to have my whole like pill case. Because inside here, I just have Excedrin for migraines and then Advil, which are my 2 like most used things. So I can just grab that and not have to take my big pill case. But then on the daily, when I have my bag, I can have this, and it holds so many pills. It actually holds more than that other one does as far as how many will fit inside. So I really like it. It's an Amazon find, and it's super cheap. So love that one. But besides that, I don't think there's anything new in here. Over here on this interior zip pocket, so you have 2 separate pockets, and then you have 2 interior zip pockets. It's fantastic. This is like, I love this. But inside this one, I just have like hair ties, feminine products, and that kind of thing. So that's everything in this big old case. All right, so I'll give you one last look of this bag open. The only thing down there are my keys attached to the key leash, so there's not much to see in this one when it's empty because there's no pockets or anything like that, but you guys get the idea. This bag holds an absolute ton. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you like me that were curious about this oversized bucket bag from Tory Burch. I highly recommend it. I think it is worth every penny. It's gonna be my new favorite bag. I tell you guys, I promise, I can tell by looking at it that I'm gonna use the heck out of it. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. I'm always happy to help. And until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.